great race event has come to Sodor. The engines are so excited as there are fantastic racetracks all over the island of Sodor. All the engines are invited, so come and boost, jump, spin and flip in crazy races to the finish line in Go, Go, Thomas! Go, go, Thomas! Choose your engine. Thomas! Choose a challenger. Thomas versus James. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. You've taken the lead. You're in the lead. Two laps to go. Smashing. Final lap. Smashing. Let's try again. You can do it. You could also go back and choose. Ready? Tap, tap, tap on the green button to start up your engine. Perfect start. You're in the lead. Brilliant. Two laps to go. Brilliant! Final lap! Smashing! Champion. Congratulations! You earned 2 golden cogs. That's it! A complete cogwheel. Time to upgrade your engine. Acceleration! With this upgrade, your engine will gain more speed with each tap of the button. Oh no! The challengers are out of cog pieces on this track. Racing on the other tracks is the only way to keep upgrading your engine. Unbelievable! Your engine is now a superstar racer. Superstar racers are the fastest engines in the world. Go! Go! The other engines would love to become superstar racers. Would you like to train them too? Choose your engine. Thomas! Choose a challenger. Thomas versus Rebecca. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the funnel tunnel. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. taken the lead. Smashing. Final lap. You're in the lead. The other racer has taken the lead. Superb. Winner! Spectacular chuffing. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. Brilliant! Two laps to go. Smashing. Final lap. Superb. Winner! Spectacular chuffing.